Yes, my people, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining. Now, my people, as we see yesterday, TGAL yesterday, run out, trip off the wall, or clothes, dash down, a carrying on and a go on with herself, a talk about kitchen when Miss D a baking over America. So, you know, from the other day, this boy named Dwayne, he on a mission from the other day, you know. And I carrying on, I bring down Miss D, I dig up back memories and I talk all sort of sitting. So yesterday now, Dwayne was so happy when he see TGAL come out yesterday. He come bring down Miss D kitchen. And you will know say I know the kitchen at Tina problem, It's just the baking we go on over America. I know the kitchen and the baking we go on because if the lady just move over America, where is the best place to bake? No must in the kitchen. What if she go bake? Run at the bathroom? Alright. Now, Missy TGAL put up a post. She claimed to say Dwayne sent something in her inbox yesterday. Dwayne apologized to her for the wrongs where him do to her. So you can see say now her head and knock together. So Dwayne look friend now to come help partner with him. Because true him know say TGAL no like Miss D. And him not like Miss D himself. He glad he get somebody to partner with. So me a go read a post where TGAL put up where Dwayne come in her inbox. You see that boy there Dwayne? The government of England need to find something here to do. Or send you back to Jamaica to come down here come plant yam and coke and sitting because you're too big and high girl and talk about you can't work. You need to go look work. Because you can't work. Because since you can't depend on internet and give so much trouble, you can go and work. Anyhow, here is the post that TGAL put up. TGAL say, this chapter with Dwayne was long closed. However, I unexpectedly received an apology from him today. That was yesterday. He also expressed how sorry he was for contributing to the toxic defamation of my business and image, which caused me financial loss and emotional damage these past few years. I will not add any backhand comment. Apology acknowledged and accepted. So TGAL say Dwayne sent a letter to her apologizing for the negative online action towards her for the past year. So this is the apology that Dwayne said. Dwayne said, Tina, I am so sorry about everything that happened. Just know this time around, I see everything as clear as day. I am done with the flip-flopping. I stand with you on everything you have been saying. I don't care if you want to put this out. This time around, I see everything. I see everything you have saying. I am sorry, Dwayne Fletcher. You see you Dwayne? And a little time you apologize to people. And before the day could have done, you go back and disrespect them. So as much as TGAL are wicked against the boss lady, she can sit down there and take apology from you. Because you're one of the worst bloggers on social media. Because you go over Planka Shop and you go look apology over there. And Miss D give apology 11 times. And because you not get red carpet to walk pan over there. And because they not kill no goat and boil manish water and cook big pot of food and bust champagne gear over there, you run out back and start cuss out the lady. Pick side with all lord them over there. So I endorse everything with them I said towards her. You go and you start dig up back long time video play about how you prove some is Donna thief and scammer and all them kind of something there. And if she did accept you over the shop, you would not be on the internet right now doing these things. And yesterday now, because you say bad mind Tina come out now and start to disrespect the lady just because the lady come America and I do her baking. She get bad mind and I cuss out the lady talk about kitchen, and we all know say it's not the kitchen is the problem. It's the baking we are going over there, because Miss D should come America come bake, because up America belongs to TGAL. So if she up there, Miss D not supposed to up there bake. Says who? So this is what Dwayne do now. Dwayne a knockhead with TGAL fi claim to say him see everything clearly what TGAL is saying about Miss D, and everything what TGAL say is true. You see you Dwayne? Me say the government need to take you up off of your big sour ass and fine work there for do. Because I just saw the other day, me see your sister come at the yard to come look for you. If you come make you change your pampers and beard and cook food there and look about you. I hear the pan live when your sister come there. I hear tell your sister say she will leave you alone, you're on your live. So you sit down on your live and cuss people in a this soak wet up pampers when your sister want to come look about you. And this is what you're doing now. You are knocking head with Tina just because you want to bring down Miss D. You hear what I thought the other day? How Miss D have to go down. And the person who come closest to bring her down was Ashanti. You claim to say by your life, oh you big up Ashanti to open your eye to her sort of sit where Miss D I do and this and that and all sort of something. Me say because the lady now have time for waste for unu, you know. Make enough of unu no go, she no drag enough of unu horse before the court. Because all you doing you claim to say Miss D can't carry on a court. And because you think say your hand underneath the government regime, you're protected by your government according to you. Your feel say nobody can carry a courthouse. I went to you walk in a wheelchair and I walk with one stick and a hop on your and sort of sitting there. Then if you judge you before your court, the court because nothing do your mouth. If anything happen to your brain, as I say your brain hemorrhage or whatever, your proof say nothing do you. Nobody was sick. No depend internet at once. So. Yeah? And you are going like say you know contribute to most of the foolishness that we are going on the internet. And you come up on your platform and cuss out the lady every day. You're not even there on Facebook again. You're there over on YouTube. I say you try to build up your YouTube channel. And the only person you could draw for build up your YouTube channel is to tear down Miss D day in, day out. And over 2 weeks ago now, I don't have not another topic. And Miss D name you take a jog through the mud day in and day out. Eh? You need to get to a machete and one shovel and one fork and get some banana root and get some coke and some something and go plant up around your backyard because you're not crippled, not do you. You can't go look, you can't go do work. Because just like how you can sit down on the internet and tear down people so. Yeah? And just in the last year, 2024, you come out and talk about how you is a changed person. But you couldn't fool nobody. Worse than me, you couldn't fool me. Because I don't know so you change, yes, but change from bad to worse. So when you come out and talk about how you're done with it and you're done with it, how you're done with it and you start 2025 with a bang. Pure mix up, pure disrespect. Yesterday, as you see TGAL run out, you see you were the first person to take TGAL video, run over on your platform and type a big headline over there. Donna fake kitchen in America. Who said the lady the kitchen fake? You don't know when the lady do her paperwork, you don't think that everything she come out on social media can make John public know? Eh? She don't have to tell nobody nothing. Everybody knows some of these a woman who work on the silent, you know. So then you think that she did stupid enough to get up and open bakery up America. If she never get legal advice, legal permission, legal go ahead, and think straight why she shouldn't start the baking And I know like South America she come from. The woman don't foo left Jamaica gone up at Uncle Sam country. Gone up there store big pan and sitting and make pudding and cake and all sort of shit. And the whole on run out here go like you have sense and no intelligent and no got good school. And no common sense can't tell me no say. The lady must be get permission to do what she do. When you get up and fight up, TGAL get up and fight up herself and come talk about who give Miss Donna her authority to bake in her kitchen. And it's not the kitchen is her problem. You just don't want to see the lady bake. You just don't want to see the lady do nothing at all. Yesterday after TGAL come up, concuss and dash down, rip off her clothes. Me see she post up some empty box. And post up some pudding what she baked from last year. And make it look like yesterday she baked them there. And them there from last year she post them there and she repost them back yesterday. And make it look like she a bake. And she not baking nothing. Every minute she them on the internet to give herself trouble. And I can't talk about you bake 365 days per year. And this look how damn Dwayne. Me say Dwayne wants somebody hold him with one belt and start lacing with it. And make him go sit down. So when you get up a count about you write apology to TGAL, she can't take it and take you serious. You soon start cuss back her she too again. Because you know here she say a whole heap of tear down her business and cause her to lose money. And the same thing you there right now, I tear down Miss D business and I talk about her sort of money where she scam from you. You know, we are England and she did that. We are Jamaica do our charity. She never asked if you donate to our charity. And you push up yourself and want to be seen and want your name for call and I look relevancy. And run go talk about you donate to the lady charity. And when you see say she not take you and start breastfeed you, you start rebel. And I talk about you want back money. Want back which money? Go sit down. Look when you over TikTok and I issue out her sort of money over there, girl sort of lion and whale and monkey and dog you over TikTok again. We make you go quarrel with the people who them over there. Where you take your money and I issue too. You have the government money and you take it and I waste it all about. And when you send it to Jamaica for a worthy cause, for help a picnic to go back to school or for help somebody put a roof over their head. You take it, you come out and rebel. But you over TikTok I take your give to people who no have no use for money. I just fear me and look. Fear man about you want back money, but people scam money from you. Me say we are a big disgrace on the internet, you doing. And you start get sick stomach. And you talk every day say the planker they don't like you. You think of the planker the man don't like you, them alone don't like you. You are causing the whole entire internet right now to dislike you. Look in and around social media. Even people who used to have little likeness for you start to dislike you. So right now, you're going to become one man against the world. Because you are drawing down enemy by your own self. Because of your dirty, nasty, stinking behavior on the internet. Your behavior is like a demon. Look by yourself. When you do your video them, go back by your video them after you done and look by yourself. If you not see the 7 devil from hell stand up in you. Yeah, you look like sin. Sin and ride you're doing. And you need to stop them something there. Stop come up on social media, come bring down the lady. Miss Donna not do nothing. She say she forgive you and she keep her from a distance. As she name Maureen and Miss Donna name Maureen, you know say your mama love you. So if your mama love you, why you fight for another woman love? You come out every day and you boast, oh my mother love me. My mother said if your mother love you, you keep your mother love. Why you fight for 99 love for? The woman don't want to have nothing to do with you. So if you go join Legion with TGAL, you not stay over there and knock it together and do what you want to do. Because all of the sound I try to bring her down, the lady down, I want to bring down her own herself. Because a long time I know I do this, from 2019. I'm in a seat I reach nowhere. Yeah. You do have head boy position over the shop. And you over there go like say you're a damn idiot. And when you get kicked out now, you want to blame everybody. Then people are idiot for you take you back after you do so much damage over there. And because you not get accepted, you get up and come go like say, you're a bull buck and dopey conqueror. Go learn on your backyard, go plant up something around the man. And go sit down on your chair at daytime and water them. And go walk in at the park at daytime and go take some fresh air. And get up off of the molly couch. You just sit down on the couch every God almighty day. You can't make the couch get like a breeze. Jesus, man, you need to stop. You need to stop it now. So that apology where you claim to say you're right to TGAL. Me say a day, fi say Yana go back down Emmanuel Road one of the day. Because you're not loyal to not even your own self, much as for loyal to nobody. Nobody not fi accept no apology from you. Because your apology is not real. You cannot keep an apology and sincere. You go up today you apologize, tomorrow you go back and cuss the people them. You're an immature man. You're a big man in a little boy body. Just like what the people and they tell you the part in a why you're gone. It's true. You're a big man, but you have a childish mentality. You have a childish mind. You want to go back to your mother yard, make her she raise you back again. Yeah, that is how you behave. You need to stop it. Stop company internet and I bring down the lady and I drag the lady name in the mouth every day.